Cassis, white wine, Chardonnay. Nice. My name is Michel Rudigoz, and I was born in Lyon, France, which is right by the Alps. Probably the best restaurant in the world from Lyon. We spent a ton of time during the war and after the war up in the Alps. My brother and sister, we ski, since we were probably 3 years old. I never made the French team, unfortunately. I was not good enough at the time. I lived in Val d'Isère for 10 years in the Alps, teaching and coaching. I came here in October of 1972, and I've been there since. Set up for it, take your cat track, and then you relax. And after in 75, I went and I started coaching with the woman, and we went to the Olympic in Lac Placid, and those girls were great. They were big names.
Peekaboo Street holds on to gold.
When I was in the army and I was racing, I broke my leg, and then my parents said, God, what are we going to do with him for 3 months? So I went back in the mountain, and I had some friend there at a restaurant and hotel. So I helped them, to cook. And I spent about 3 or 4 months in the restaurant cooking with them and all that, and I was excited. I started here in 1985. I had a little restaurant downtown, and the people who owned this building, who are a very, very good friend of mine, came and asked me if I wanted to come and take over this restaurant. And I said, sure, why not?
Second course, salmon, chicken jus, trout.
Me and Michel, we're friends. He's like my dad in the United States. We ski together, we go hiking together, and the food is very French.
We cured it for 24 hours, we rinse it, and now we're gonna put it in a smoker for 6 hours.
He certainly has a bigger background as far as a chef is concerned than I did.
And the only thing he will do right now, smoked, no cooking.
My culinary style is very French, traditional. And if you look at the menu at Michel, this is the way I cook, and this is what Michel was looking for so long, a French chef in his restaurant.
Ah, it's beautiful. It's not because I'm a chef, it's anybody can do that. Nice rub in a high temperature, 30 minutes, nice colors, and slow cooking, 2 hours at 225, it's perfect.
The competition with the food, what can we do? Everybody got a little bit of the same ingredient. Everybody got chicken, everybody got fish, everybody got beef.
Local morels.
Everybody got vegetables. They're all the same. It's what you can create with that.
And you don't need to be a chef. You can impress your guests, but you need a Traeger.